Sustainable Leadership, The Rainforest Perspective é um curso oferecido pela FGV para estudantes internacionais de mestrado. Durante uma semana, nós navegamos pelos rios Tapajós e Arapiuns, visitando várias comunidades para aprender sobre liderança e sustentabilidade.
I chose this trip because it was such a unique opportunity to go to the Amazon in a completely organized fashion, something I would never be able to do on my own. And the idea of living with so many people on a boat and sleeping on hammocks and living together without internet connection for a week sounded like a great idea to me.
Nós oferecemos as viagens do Gnam desde 2022 e a turma de agora tem pessoas de vários países da América Latina, como México, Chile e Brasil, mas também dos Estados Unidos, da França, da Polônia. Tem uma representatividade muito grande e é muito bom poder colocar essas pessoas em contato com a realidade da Amazônia.
I chose this course because for two things. The first one is I wanted to learn more about sustainable leadership, and we had the opportunity to meet these amazing communities in the Amazon that taught us many things and how to live with nature and not from nature, which was one of the highlights of this trip and something that I'll remember forever. And then I also chose this trip because it has been a long dream of mine to come to the Amazon.
I chose this course because I found interesting the topic of sustainable leadership, sustainability, and a highlight from this trip for me is that I need to pause more and respect other people's time because it's not the same time as mine. And in order to make changes, I need to listen more and in order to make the right communications with others.
Nós articulamos as comunidades ribeirinhas, as comunidades indígenas aqui do Tapajós e Arapiuns, comunidades com quem a gente já vem trabalhando há mais de 20 anos, que desenvolvem seus projetos, enfrentam inúmeros desafios.
I came on the Tapajós expedition because I wanted to be immersed in the Amazon, learning about sustainability. And it was really a transformational trip where you learn not only about sustainable practices that the communities of the Amazon engage in, but really what development means to them outside of the classroom in a lived experience and community.
And I think it has been a profound transformational experience. I am very, very grateful to have learned from my peers and the community what different aspects of development mean to them. And I hope to take that on into the future as I transition into my next role.